Hi, my name's Ian Tiswell. I wanted to share a few thoughts with you about effective channel pricing ahead of an online session I'll be leading with the European pricing platform in a few weeks. This can be a difficult topic. I think a lot of people struggle with how to get started and how to think about it. But it's not so hard if you come at it the right way. The first thing is to think about what are the elements that are involved. I think there's about 6 of them. We start by understanding the end customer value that they're getting from your offering. But in addition to that, we need to understand the value that the channel brings as well, and recognize the fact that different channel partners will have different value contribution. So that drives us to think about a segmentation based on 3 different factors. There's also a few thoughts to be said about online distributors, which can be particularly disruptive. And so how we can manage those so they work for us is an interesting topic. And once we've done this, then we get into understanding how we can use our discounts and rebates and policies to try and meet our commercial objectives, something that's done surprisingly little. Then we put this together by coming up with a price corridor, target and floor prices on the pocket price level or equivalent. And a lot of it is then about where should we setting that corridor based on the different product portfolio and customers that we're selling through. If that all sounds like pretty straightforward, well, there's a few wrinkles to be walked through, but a process that walks through these steps in the right order can get you there. We break up some of these things into what are quick wins and what are initiatives, longer term initiatives. So we'll be covering this in the 5-hour course spread over 2 days. It'll be very interactive, should be a lot of fun, and you'll get a chance to work through some of your specific issues as we go through that. And you should walk away from the training with some great ideas that you can start to implement right away in your company. So I hope you will be able to join me. I look forward to seeing you there, and any questions, give me a bell. Thanks.